Yeah. This one appears to be very forceful. Very forceful. Yeah, here we go now. Niggas, bitches, where you at? Talk. Thug niggas, let me see y'all. Yeah, ha. Before we slap niggas silly with something and put you out your misery and your suffering. Yeah, and just for frontin', you got me bustin' 2 nines with one hand tied together or something. Ain't no mistaking me taking your trap. In case you niggas didn't know, you fucking with the gladiators of rap. On some John Reno shit and professional. How we accurate and precise when we bustin', every move is intentional. Violating, I will get at your ass. And if I can't catch you, track star will start throwing shit at your ass. Wait a minute, nigga, hold up a second. See, you's a bitch, and while we bust your ass, your faggot peoples ain't even checking. Yo, y'all need this in the core and the shit. Leave you looking out of place like you's a tourist on some foreigner shit. I be that nigga and I love to experiment with specific high explosive just to take y'all niggas out of this element. Now,
cause we got new shit for y'all.
All my niggas in the spot, y'all know we tear this shit down and how we holdin', nigga.
And we come to take shit over y'all.
Yes, we here to regulate and put our foot down. Your shop is closing, nigga.
Always rap the street for all y'all.
Constantly hitting y'all off with street shit and keep y'all niggas open, yeah. All my niggas, all my bitches.
What y'all gonna do now every time we come with that street shit?
Yeah, we move like stone-faced, cold-hearted niggas, bold-faced, straight, retarded niggas. And yo, the shit we do be so off the hook. Fuck around and get your leg broken, beat on in your face with your foot. We here to stay, fuck paying a visit. I only fuck with certain live niggas like my nigga Tash and Exhibit. Ever since I vowed to keep this shit raw, I stay hitting niggas with shit that'll leave they fucking face on the floor. Every time niggas know when we block, smack a nigga so fucking hard he fall and probably spin on his back. Funny how niggas are always shit talk. The very next day they will notice the difference in the way they bitch walk. My street niggas need to come for the ride, cause when we step up in the place, you funny niggas need to slide to the side. I love to watch these funny niggas diminish, and while we slowly murder them niggas, they praying on the moment we finish. I take you back to the very beginning and beat you in your head from birth and watch you grow loving the shit we be bringing. Street niggas keep their mind on their dream, focus the most on getting their paper and be thoroughly reppin' they team. You know we quick to mash it down for some hours, quick to leave some of these niggas shook, running with the rest of them cowards, and leave the rest of niggas ready to dumb and rep the street until we all die. Could give a fuck wherever you from. Now,
cause we got new shit for y'all.
all my niggas in the spot, you know we tear this shit down and how we hold it, nigga.
And we come to take shit over y'all.
Just we come to regulate and put our foot down. Your shop is closing, nigga.
Always rap the street for all y'all.
Constantly hitting y'all off with street shit to keep y'all niggas open now. All my niggas, all my bitches.
What y'all gonna do now every time we come with that street shit?
To all my motherfuckers that live in the urban city areas, only the urban city areas, the ghettos, the neighborhoods where they got delis, liquor stores, and churches right across the street from all of that. Yeah. Motherfuckers selling weed, crack, and all of that shit on the corner. It ain't the right thing to do, but niggas is putting in them motherfucking living conditions to have to do that shit. The street motherfuckers, all y'all survival of the fittest motherfuckers, survive. This is dedicated to y'all. Street shit.